Okay, we're gonna go clean up the yard a little bit. I need to cut some weeds out. Let me see. First, I gotta get this thing. It's okay. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. I'm not professional, guys, so. Let me see. I don't know about this. Get rid of some of that wheat. Yeah, let's see. I'm just trying to make some air over here. So let's see. Now, let's see. Well, I got some this week out. Okay. I'll go up front and I will cut the grass on my lawnmower. I just gotta get rid of some of that weeds. Okay. I got some spray. Okay. Let me see what we could do over here. And we cut the rest of it with the lawnmower. Yeah, just gotta get co? Znaczy odjadę. Aniu. A no, ja tylko chcę z brzegu ci odjadę samochodem, to się zaparkuj. To się zaparkuj, ja tylko tu obkoszę, a resztę kosiarką.